Hi, welcome to my channel Beck for Tech. So, are you lazy as I am? If you are, you better watch this particular video till the end. So, this is where I will be telling you that there is a possible option where you can make your mobile phone a remote for your desktop or a laptop. So, I'm a person who usually watches movies in the night. Once I watch the movie, I will become sleepy and I will be lazy enough to go towards the computer and switch off the computer. So when I wake up in the next morning, my wife always scolds me telling that the computer was switched on and it was open till the morning. When I thought about that, I understood that yes, of course, it is a wastage of energy. So is there a possible remedy for that? So I am introducing a software again which is a free software. You don't have to you don't have to buy any hardware arrangements or hardware equipments to do this thing. It is basically a software which runs in your computer as well as your mobile phone. So again, this has got two steps. One, you'll have to do it in your computer, and the other part you'll have to do it in your mobile phone. If you can do that, well and good, we'll be able to move forward. So before moving into that, I will tell you 3 scenarios where you will be able to use this thing. First scenario, scenario 1, where your mobile and your computer or laptop is connected to the same network. It is a broadband, it is having a Wi-Fi modem, and through the Wi-Fi modem you are connecting to the internet. So both your mobile phone as well as your computer is in the same network. So this will work, no issues in that. Scenario 2 is where your mobile phone is acting as a mobile hotspot and you are having your computer, and the computer is connected to this particular mobile hotspot which is created by your mobile. This scenario will also work, no issues, because both your computer and your mobile phone is in the same network. Scenario 3 is where a third mobile is acting as a hotspot, and to that hotspot both your mobile phone as well as your computer is connected. In this case also this will work. But let us assume if your mobile phone is connected to your cellular network and your computer is connected to your broadband connection, then you are in 2 different networks and this particular software will not work. So let's dig deep and let's go into the computer and install the particular software. So I'll go into my computer. So the first step is to open your browser, right? I'm using Chrome here. Once you open your browser, you can directly search for unified remote. So basically you can go to your Google, you can search the application unified remote. Once you search that, it will be the first option. You click on the first option. Once you click on the first option, their website will come. There you can see that you are having a software which you can download. Again, this is applicable for your Windows OS as well as your Mac OS. If you are using Mac, you will have to download the Mac OS option. But as of now, I am using my Windows platform, so I will be downloading the Windows version of the software. Once it is downloaded, you can click OK and you can install the particular software. Installation is very simple. Just you will have to write like accept their license, their agreement. Once you accept the thing, they will ask where it has to be installed. You basically install the thing. It is very easy. You can see the steps. I am installing the particular software. I am choosing for the default option like C program files. So I am not changing that. Once it is installed, you can click finish. Once you click on to the finish, you can go into your computer and search for this unified remote. Okay, here it is telling that it is already running. So you can go into this particular menu and you can see that it is currently running. So you go into the settings and make sure that again it works both in Wi-Fi as well as in Bluetooth. So I opted for Wi-Fi because it is more reliable, and Bluetooth connectivity I had some previous issues. So if you are having a same wireless, you have a wireless Wi-Fi network, it is better to connect in Wi-Fi network and make sure that it starts when the operating system is switching on. If it is not running, then this will not work. So inside the computer, whenever your computer is switching on, make sure that this is enabled. So you go into your startup menu from your task manager and make sure that this particular thing is enabled. Now what we can do is that we'll go into the step 2, which you will have to do it in your mobile phone. So inside the mobile phone, as you can see, I have an Android platform, so I will go into Play Store. Whereas if you are using an Apple phone, you can go into their App Center. So here I am looking for unified remote. I am searching in Play Store for unified remote. Once I find this particular unified remote, I click install, and it takes some amount of time, but it is a very small application. You can easily install the thing. Once it is installed, click on open. As you can see, this is basically a free version, so it is having some limitations, but you don't have to worry. Most of the features you need is basically inside this particular free version. So what I will do is I will switch on my webcam so that you can see how this is working. So again, I have in my first video you have seen how you can install an EDM webcam. So I will use this particular webcam for the remaining. So you can here you can see that you can see both my screens. One is my phone and other one is my computer screen. As you can see in the EDM app, I am configuring it. I am configuring it to full HD, and once it is configured, I can see the exact configuration happening inside the computer. Once it is done, I will go back to my unified remote. Right there, you will be able to control. The mouse controls can be done through this unified remote. So one thing is that you can either switch off or restart your computer. Other thing is you can control your mouse options using this thing. So even if your computer is in the same room, but if you want to control the screen using this particular mobile, then you will be able to do this thing. This is in your free version itself. They are giving this particular option. So from a distant remote location, you will be able to control the mouse options of your computer. Next is your basic input. Then file manager, it is there. So there you will be able to access the files of your computer. Next is keyboard. So if you want to type something, if you want to browse your using your Chrome inside your computer, then you will be able to do this thing. Last one is again second last one is media controls. There you will be able to control the media options or play for next click next file. Those things you will be able to control. Whenever I press the restart button, you can see that my computer screen is basically showing that it is going to be shut down, and finally it will go into the shutdown mode. Once this is goes into the shutdown mode, you will not be able to see the screen because the connection between your computer and your mobile phone is terminated. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Again, if you are new to the channel, please press the subscribe button. If you like this particular content, please make sure that you press this particular symbol from your menu. And if you are having any doubts or if you want to discuss something with me, you can surely comment on in the comment box. Thank you.